back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All right, so we are coming back to green here. Carson Freeman and Joshua Tidwell to lead him to the green flag. Will Freeman pick up his third feature win in a sport mod, a B mod here at Lawrenceburg this year? We're about to find out in 15 laps. Green flag in the air. Freeman slides up a little bit in front of Tidwell. Casey Ohm, remember, Ohm is the one who battled hard with Freeman the last time out in a B mod. So don't count him out. But does anybody have anything for Carson Freeman? One lap down. Lap number 2 going on the board. And so far, Freeman's got almost a 3/4 second advantage over second place Joshua Tidwell. And it's up over a second. So Tidwell kind of dealing with the likes of problems here on the front straightaway. For Matthew Watson Jr., it looks like he's missed a gear up. We got 25 spun out in turn 2.
Go high, 1 2, go high.
And Freeman will bring him back to the restart here. The green flag is out again here at the Berg. 2 laps down, 13 to go here in the B mods. The question yet to be answered is, does anybody have anything for Carson Freeman? If you want to answer it prematurely, the answer is no, as he has won the previous 2 B mod features. But Tidwell is still tracking him about half a second back, about 4 car lengths on the racetrack. So Freeman now starts to open the gap just a little bit here. See, the track is slickening off a lot around the main portion of the racetrack, and that's causing the cars to search for some grip, some little bit of moisture up near the top side of the racetrack. So still Freeman, Tidwell, Ohm, Marty O'Neill, and Ron Landers. That's the top 5.
Wow.
Did you see you missed that one, Chad?
Oh no! Oh no! 3 of the top 5 drivers the last lap involved in an incident. Marty O'Neill and Ron Landers, the top 5. Coming back to the green flag, 6 down, 9 laps remaining here in the B-Mod feature. Feature number 3 of 6. Still 3 more to go after this one. It's been a long night here. It's going to get longer. Green flag back in the air. Marty O'Neill looks to the inside of Casey Ohm. Freeman, Tidwell, Ohm, O'Neill. Ron Landers 5th. Stephen Holt, though, right to the inside of Landers, and Holt bumps up into him, and it looks like the K2 of Cody Berkeley is off the pace and pulls to the infield. Back up front, Carson Freeman pulling away from Tidwell.
That 4 car was body slam 77.
So Freeman again back. So lap number 10 going on the scoreboard there for Carson Freeman. 4 laps remaining. It's still Freeman, Tidwell. Freeman has a 3-second advantage on the rest of the field. Casey Ohm. And looks like problems for Marty O'Neill. He pulls his car to the inside there. Battle between Holt and Landers is for the best battle on the position or the racetrack at this time. Those two drivers trading that position lap after lap. Lap 13 going on the board. Carson Freeman, man, almost a 5-second advantage. He is less than 2 laps away from going 3 for 3 here at the board. White flag in the air for Carson Freeman. Tidwell just now crosses the start-finish line. Freeman has a full straightaway advantage and then some. Here comes Freeman off of turn number 4, and there's been 3 Sport Mod features this year at the Berg, and Carson Freeman has won all 3. Freeman takes the checkered flag. Joshua Tidwell finishes second. Casey Ohm third. And I think Ron Landers fourth, and Stephen Holt rounds out the top 5. Done a whale of a job in the B-Mods here at Lawrenceburg this year. He's had the entire field covered and then some.
We've run him 3 times, and he's won all of them. Man. He runs Florence a lot, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's always.
All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, he can hear you now. Inside around the victory lane, it's the 3rd feature win in a B-Mod. It's Carson Freeman. This one probably a little bit easier on Carson than the other 2, but nonetheless, it still ends in the same result as Carson Freeman inside around the victory lane for the 3rd time in 2025.